Yeah, I'm gonna give it to Young Cub and Raw, you know what I'm saying? They call me Big Teardrop, man. You know what I'm saying? There ain't no suckers around here, nigga. It's real official. You feel me? Been in the pen, nigga. Ups and downs, scrapes and shit. Bruises. My nigga Asflaw was cracking. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? My nigga Nut. You know what I'm saying? My nigga A-Train. Nigga KB, Tone Bone, Choice Jones was cracking. Yeah, I ain't discussing this, nothing, that life is over with. Stick it down the mic with a lighter so I can blow up shit. I barely trust myself so I can trust another man. It's a thin line between a pistol, nigga, and 100 grand. Let's knuckle up, even the biggest situator thumper. I'm blind to fighting like my nickname was Stevie Wonder. 16 years in the pen, it couldn't hold me back, a trill gritter. From the yard, I caught the Cadillac, yeah. I'm out stopping through all these territories. Feel like I'm Jesus, but circulating to tell the story. Nigga, I'm a soldier, don't play around. Nigga, on the block that I'm claiming, it's not a playground, that phone bound. Bow. Do your motherfucking dome quick, cause I'm a specialist with this damn aim shit. And only fuck with them real niggas. Them certified in the gut that'll kill, nigga. Yeah, I don't know what you thought it was. Blood, cuz real gangsters, they don't give a fuck. Niggas gon' do what they gon' do. But on groove, I'ma move when I want to. Yeah, I don't know what you thought it was. Blood, cuz real gangsters, they don't give a fuck. Niggas gon' do what they gon' do. But on groove, I'ma move when I want to.